Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm going to be your host for another Crafty Vision segment. Today, I'm going to show y'all how to make a copper wire ring. So you're going to need two different size dowels because this ring is going to be an adjustable ring. I'm not using a ring manual, so I'm going to be using these two dowels here. This one you can find at Walmart. This one you can find at Dollar General. You're going to need a ruler, some 16 gauge copper wire. You're also going to need your wire cutters and your round nose pliers. It's about 21.5 inches long. So let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show y'all we need to make some circles or loops, and we need about 13 loops, okay? So I'm gonna come down right here on my wire, all right, just like this, and I'm gonna start making my loops, okay? Now every time you make your loop, make sure, take it off, make sure that you make a round circle and you go to the back, okay? So let me show you. You go all the way around just like this and go all the way to the back of your wire, okay? Take it off. That's what you're gonna have. And we're going to be making, like I said, you need about 13 of these. So that's number 3. Okay, that's 3. This is number 4. And when you use these dowels, this is going to make everything be nice and accurate. And what I mean when I say accurate is everything is going to be pretty much, all your circles are going to be the same size. They're going to line up and be the same exact way, okay? So like I said, we need 13. So this is number 5. That's number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. And then number 6. Slide it out. Number 7. Take it all the way to the back. Slide it out. Number 8. Okay. All right, so this is what you have so far, and this is number 8. Then we're going to number 9. Bring it over. Number 10. $11. Take it out. 12. Okay. So we have 12 circles so far. This is what it looks like. And this is the very last one. And this is number 13. All right. So that's 13. So that's what this is what you're gonna have. You wanna just try to straighten everything up. Okay, that's what you have. That's what you're going to have. And now what we're going to do is we're going to come down on this end right here, and you're going to make you're going to try to tuck it on the inside of this one here. So I'm going to show you. Just try to tuck it. If you can't tuck it, there you go. Just like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and snip right there. Just like that, okay? So that part of the ring is done. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take this manual here, this dowel, and I'm going to place it on the dowel, and I'm going to start wrapping it on the dowel, just like this. Okay, and you want to come all the way over, and you want to wrap this part of the long part that where you finished around as well. And you want to go around a couple of times. Okay, just like this. All right, just like that. Take it off. This is what it's going to look like. This is what you're going to have. Now what you want to do is you want to go and you want to start molding. You want to start molding it. So you want to just bring it in a little bit more, bending it a little bit more like this. And you can squeeze it because, like I said, this is going to be an adjustable ring. All right, and this is what it's looking like. Now you can try it on your hand to see how it's going to fit, and this is how it's going to look. Now what I'm going to do next, see underneath, that's the underneath part, and this is the top part. Now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to take one of my wires, this piece, and bring it up like this, okay? And I'm going to take, and snip right about here. Snip that. And I'm going to just take my wire and bring it in like this. All right. Okay. Now this is what you're going to have, but I want to snip it just like that. And this is pretty much what your ring is going to look like. So here's your ring. Now if you want to, you can take and you can hang some, sorry for my hands, y'all. You can take and you can maybe add a gem, or, you know, if you want to make, you can add a gem on it if you would like to. You can put a gem on it. But this is the finished results, and it is adjustable. If you do decide to sell these, you can actually take the link off, more links off, to make it smaller for someone else's finger. That's up to you, but this is the ring itself. Okay? Quick, easy, and simple. All right? So I'm going to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me. I made a smaller one right here. for joining me. And until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.